Hello, children. Good day to you all. I hope you are fine. I am Narasa Bryan, your class 3 English teacher. Dear children, we are going to start a new lesson today, that is the Fred. Before we start the reading, let's read and learn few new words and their meanings. The first word we have island. Island, and the meaning of island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Second word we have Jamaica. Jamaica, the meaning is a country in the West Indies. Miles. Miles, a very long way. Wagged. Wagged, move. The next word we have afraid. Afraid, and the meaning of afraid is scared. Then we have imitated. Imitated, and the meaning of imitated is to copy somebody's behavior. The last word we have fist. Fist, and the meaning of fist is closed hands. Fist, in other words, we say that when we make a punch with a hand, that is called fist. We will begin our reading from page number 30. So let's read. The Fred. Once upon a time, on that hot green island of Jamaica, where monkeys live in the trees, there lived a little girl named Sue with her mother. They lived a good many miles from anywhere. Sue had no one to play with. One day she said to her mother, "Can I go down?" Students, on this page we read that there was once a girl named Sue who lived with her mother in a place called Jamaica. Lots of monkeys also lived there in trees. They lived very far and don't have people living near to their home. Sue was alone and was getting bored because she had no one to play with her. One day, she asked her mother, "Can I go down to the road to play with neighbor's little boy?" Here you can see it's written, "Can I go down the road and play with the little boy who lives there?" Children, now keep your finger on page number 31. Let's read it. "Yes," said her mother, "but mind you come back before it's dark." And she wagged her fingers at Sue the way mothers do. Up in the trees, the monkeys saw what she did, and they wagged their fingers at each other. Monkeys copy what they see people doing. "Why do I have to come back before it's dark?" Mother asked Sue. "Because if you come home when it's dark, you'll be afraid." "What's afraid, mother?" asked Sue. "If you come home in the dark, you'll know what afraid is." Sue went down the road and the monkeys followed, jumping through the trees. She walked a long way to the neighbor's house and spent all day playing with the little boy who lived there. They danced in a circle, singing "Ringa Ringa Roses," and the monkeys imitated. Now, children, when Sue was taking permission from her mother said yes, but she warned her with moving fingers that you must be back before it's dark. Sue asked her mom that why should she come back early. Her mother answered, "Because if you will be late and it will get dark, you will be afraid." Sue don't know what is afraid. So she asked her mom, and she said, "When you will come late, then you will get to know what afraid is." Then Sue went to play down the road, and the monkeys followed her. Monkeys were jumping on the trees. It was very far, and she went to the neighbor's house, and she played the whole day over there. They were playing "Ringa Ringa Roses," and the monkeys were copying them. Now we will read page number 32. The monkeys imitated them, except the monkeys held tails instead of hands. Monkeys always copy people. When the little boy was put to bed, Sue started home, but it was already dark. And when she got home, her mother was very angry. "Where have you been?" she shouted. "Didn't I tell you to come home before dark?" She was so angry that she shook her fist, and the monkeys in the trees shook their fists too. "But mother, I am not afraid," said Sue. "If you walk about in the dark, you'll be afraid," said her mother. "You are to come home before it's dark. Do you hear?" A few days later, Sue was lonely again. She said, "Mother, can I go play with the little boy?" Children, you have listened in this page that when Sue and the little boy was playing and the monkeys were copying them, they both were holding hands, but the monkeys were holding their tails instead of hands. After playing, the boy was tired, so her mother put her to bed, and then Sue started to come home, but it was dark now. And when Sue entered home, her mother was very angry, and she shouted at her that "Why did you came so late? It's dark, and I told you to come home early." Her mother was doing some actions in the anger, and the monkeys were copying her. Sue told her mother that she was not afraid at all. Sue's mother told her again, You will get afraid if you will come in the dark. Did you hear that? You have to be at home before it's dark. After some days, Sue was again feeling bored and lonely. So she went again to take permission from her mother. She asked, "Mother, can I go to play with the little boy?" Children, will keep our reading till page number 32 today. Now you have your homework. First you have to write the words and their meanings, which is shown to you in the slide in your copy. Then next is that you have to answer the following questions. Number 1 is, where did Sue and her mother live? Question number 2, why did Sue want to go down the road? Question number 3, did Sue listen to what her mother told her? These are the questions, you have to answer them. Children, note this, that you have to do this homework and all the previous homework given to you in your English literature copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework. Children, we will continue this lesson in the next part. Dear students, take care of yourself. God bless you all. Thank you.